Hi everyone. A very warm welcome to the viewers from Libra Computers, where learning is fun. In these videos, we are learning some concepts of HTML used to design website. In today's class, we will study about marquee and its attributes. So what is a marquee? Marquee is a scrolling piece of text, displayed either horizontally or vertically on your website. We start the practical session with Notepad++. Inside the body tag of HTML5 structure, we start with the marquee tag. In order to make a text or an image moving on the screen, you have to just mention the content inside the marquee tag. As you can see here, the text given inside the marquee keeps on moving. Here, the scroll speed is high. This can be controlled by the use of attributes. Let us see the different attributes for marquee tag. First attribute here is scroll amount, which is basically used to increase the speed. Next, we have scroll delay, used to decrease the speed of the content. The delay is given in milliseconds. Now, if you want to display the content on half the screen, then that can be set using width attribute, as shown. The content moving, by default, starts from the left side of the screen. But if you want to change that, then you can use direction attribute, which allows you to set the starting point either from left, right, up, or down. You can set the background color as well, which is given by the attribute BG color. Similar to width, we have height attribute, which of course changes the height of the marquee. Next, we have horizontal space and vertical space, which we had studied in the video where we learned the image tag. This is used to give spacing on all four sides of the marquee. At the end, we have behavior attribute, which is used to define how the content will move inside the marquee. This can be given in 3 different ways, which are: scroll, which is the default behavior given; slide, wherein the content moves along the path and stops at the end of the marquee; and the last is alternate, in which the content keeps on bouncing inside the marquee. Marquee with images is given in this manner. So here, what we do is, inside the marquee tag, just specify the image tags. Images can be as many as you want. Save the images in the folder where the file is saved. So when you run the output, this is what you will see. With this we will end this session. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.